Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am a huge fan of pesto, but I just don't have enough of it. So today we'll be making some pesto pasta with homemade pesto, grilled chicken and some green peas. What I love about this dish is it is super easy and super quick to come together, and it should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to put this delicious meal. You can have it for lunch or supper. So let's get started right now. So I have my chicken here in a Ziploc, and we just want to flatten it out a bit, make it thinner. It's gonna tenderize it, and it's gonna cook much faster, and it's gonna be super delicious. So go ahead and use a meat tenderizer. Since I don't have that, I'm gonna use a wooden rolling pin to do the same job. Beat it out until it's about a quarter of an inch in thickness. So our chicken is all ready. Now let's start marinating our chicken. So in this bowl here, I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon. Now add 2 minced garlic cloves, some salt, pepper, chili flakes to your taste, a nice pinch of Italian seasoning, a quick mix. And now add in your olive oil. So about a half tablespoon of olive oil. Now add in your chicken and toss it in the marinade until it's fully covered. Let it just drench it. We're gonna quickly let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. So season your pasta with a generous amount of salt. You can't season pasta once it's cooked. You wanna season it while you're cooking it. Now let the pasta cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until al dente. So heat up a grill pan on medium heat, and once it's hot, add in your chicken. That's exactly what I want to hear. Now cook this for 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until cooked. So pick out the basil leaves from the stems if you have one. So this should amount to about a cup of tightly packed basil leaves. I'd say the more the better. Add all this basil into our food processor here. And then add your pine nuts. This should be about a tablespoon and a half. Season with some salt. Now be careful with the salt because we're gonna add lots of parmesan, and that is naturally very salty. Now we don't add the parmesan in the blender, and we like to hand mix it because it's gonna add much more texture. It just tastes better. And also add in 2 cloves of garlic. So we just have the basil, garlic, pine nuts and some salt in here. I just want to blitz it to chop up the leaves, and then we're gonna add in the olive oil. Now if you were to whiz the olive oil with the basil, you have to be really careful because if you whiz it for too long, the olive oil has a tendency to turn bitter. We don't want that in our pesto. So now drizzle in your olive oil. So after you've added the olive oil, blitz it again for a few seconds. So using a spatula, just collect all the pesto together. Let's transfer this to a bowl. Now doesn't that look beautiful? So now sprinkle in the parmesan for your pesto. Now this may seem like a lot right now, but you need this amount of cheese, and we want to hand mix this. I don't know how it makes a difference, but it makes a difference. Mix it all together. The pesto is coming out really nice. Chicken is almost done grilling. Our pasta is ready, and I'm excited to eat this meal. So here's all our pasta. I'm gonna add all of our pesto in here because I like my pasta with lots and lots of pesto. I don't care if it's not the traditional thing, but that's what I like. Let's give it a quick mix. Guys, this is looking too good. Oh, now just add all your peas. Just mix it all in, and our food is ready to go. It's gonna cut up our chicken, top it off, some extra cheese. Ooh. Now let's cut this chicken up into bite-sized pieces to really make a delicious chicken pasta lunch. Just top off your beautiful plate with your beautifully grilled chicken. A nice sprinkling of fresh parmesan. Let's taste this. That chicken. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and make this dish for dinner tonight. So there you have it, guys. This was a super easy, super simple pesto pasta with grilled chicken and green peas. There's so much to love about this, and I really hope you fall in love the same way. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a like and a comment down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do more recipes with pesto. Be sure to check out all my social media links, which are listed down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any new content just like this. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.